Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we will do amazing assignment 16. It is related to chapter 2, additions and subtractions. Here the first one is subtract the following. Addition, subtraction also we have to start with ones place onwards. It is in the first subtraction sum. First sum is called it as minute and second number is called it as subtrahend. Then answer is called it as difference. Next, moving on to sum. Here in the ones place the digit is 3 and here second number the digit is 8. Is it possible to do the subtraction 3 minus of 8? It is not possible. It is a small number. Then take the help of tens place. In the tens place the digit is 9. So give the bar to the ones place. It becomes 13. It makes 8. Now it is able to do the subtraction. 13 minus of 8. 13 minus of 8 is 5. And next, moving on to tens place. Ones place completed. So moving on to tens place. 8 minus of 7. 8 minus of 7 is 1. Next, moving on to hundreds place. 2 minus of 3. Is it possible to do the subtraction? No. So take the help of thousands place. But here also 0 is there. So next, take the next place value. Here 10,000. It will give 1 to the thousands place. It becomes 10. It makes 7. Now it is able to give the bar to hundreds place. It will give to 100s place. It becomes 12. It makes 9. Okay, 12 minus of 3. 12 minus of 3. We get the answer 9. Get the answer 9. And moving on to thousands place. 9 minus of 2. 9 minus of 2 is 7. Next, moving on to 10,000s place. Here 7 minus of 4. 7 minus of 4. We get 3. Next, moving on to lakhs place. 6 minus of 2. 6 minus of 2 is 4, my dears. 4. Next, moving on to second one. Find the difference in each case and verify the answer. We have to first of all find the difference. Difference means what we have to do? Yes, we have to do the subtraction. Here also, subtraction also start with ones place onwards. Here the ones place the digit is 4. In the minute and subtrahend 4. But is it not possible to do the subtraction? So take the help of tens place. Here the digit is 2. It gives 1 to the ones place. It becomes 11. It makes 1. 11 minus of 4. 11 minus of 4. Otherwise do the reverse count. 11 minus of 4 we get 7. Next, moving on to tens place. In the tens place the digit is 1. 1 minus of 7. Is it not possible? Then take the help of hundreds place digit. Here the digit is 7. It gives 1 to the tens place. It becomes 11. It makes 6. 11 minus of 7. Is it possible? Yes. 11 minus of 7 is 4. Next, moving on to 6 minus of 8. Is it possible to do the subtraction 6 minus of 8? Not possible. So take the help of thousands place. Here the digit is 8. It gives bar to the hundreds place. It becomes 16. It makes 8. Now 16 minus of 8. 16 minus of 8 is 8. Next, 8 minus of 6. 8 minus of 6. The answer is 2. 3 minus of 1. 10,000 place. 3 minus of 1. The answer is 2. Here 2 minus 1. The answer is 1. Now we will check is it correct or not. How we have to check. Here we get 1,22,847 as a difference. It is the minute and it is the subtrahend. The answer is a difference. Now we have to check if the sum is correct or not. First of all, write the difference as like minute and write the subtrahend. If you add difference and subtrahend, we get the minute. If you get the minute, it is the correct answer. Now we will check 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 is carried out to next place. Again 4 plus 7 is 11 and 11 plus 1. We get 12. 1 is carried out to hundreds place. Next 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16 and 16 plus 1. The answer is 17. 7 we have to write it down. 1 is carry out to next place. Next in thousands place, the digit is 216. 2 plus 6 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. Next moving on to 10,000s place. In the 10,000s place, the digits are 2 and 1. 2 plus 1. The answer is 3. Next moving on to lakhs place. 1 plus 1. We get 2. Shall we check is it correct or not? Yes, Nana. In minute number is 2,39,721. We get the same answer. 2,39,271. If you add difference and subtrahend, we get the minute. So your sum is correct. Next moving on to second sum. Last sum. Find the difference of the following numbers and then check your answers. We have to find the difference to the subtraction. The given numbers are 62,093 and 93,742. Write first 93,742. It is a minute and 62,093. It is a subtrahend. We have to find the difference. Again mention the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Yes, 2 minus of 3. Is it possible? 2 minus of 3. It is not possible. Then take the help of next place. It makes 3. It becomes 12. 12 minus of 3. 12 minus of 3 is 9. 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9 is not possible. Then take the help of next digit. It is 7. It gives 1 to the 10th place. It becomes 13. It makes 6. 13 minus of 9. 13 minus of 9 is 4. And 6 minus of 0. 6 minus of 0 is 0. Next moving on to 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Next 9 minus of 6. The answer is 3. We get difference is 31,649. To get the difference is 31,649. Now we have to check you are getting the correct answer or not. How to find? If you add difference plus subtrahend, we get the minute. If we get the same minute, your sum is correct. First of all, write the difference. The difference is 31,649 and subtrahend is 62,093. We have to do the addition. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 we have to write it down and 1 is carry out to next place. 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is 13 and 13 plus 1. The answer is 14. 4 we have to write it down. 1 is carry out to next place. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Next moving on to next place. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 6. The answer is 9. Once we have to check we get the same minute or not. 93,742. We get the answer. Here also same. So your answer is correct. Next moving on to C bit. They given 2,72,056 and 4,289. 4,289. It is a minute and 2,72,056. It is a subtrahend. We have to find the difference of the two numbers. Start with ones place onwards. 9 minus of 6. 9 minus of 6. The answer is 3. Next moving on to 8 minus of 5. 8 minus of 5 is 3. Next 2 minus of 0. We know very well. We get the same answer. 2 and 0 minus 2. Is it possible to do the subtraction? 0 minus of 2. Not possible. Then take the help of next place. Here also same 0 will be there. So what we have to do? Next. Move to the next place. Here the digit is 4. It gives 1 to the before place. It becomes 3. It makes 10. Now it is able to give the borrow to the next place, before place. It becomes 9, it makes 10. 10 minus of 2, 10 minus of 2 is 8. Next, 9 minus of 7, 9 minus of 7 is 2. Next, moving on to 3 minus of 2, 3 minus of 2 is 1. The answer is 1,28,233. We get the difference. Now we will check is it correct or not. How to find? It is minute. It is subtrahend. Next answer is difference. How to find if you are doing correct or not? When you add difference plus subtrahend, we get the minute. Shall we check? Yes. Write the difference. 1,28,233 plus subtrahend is 2,72,056. Do the addition. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. And next place 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5. How much? 8. Next 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 we get same number 2. And 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 9, 10. 0 we have to write it down. 1 is carry out to next place. Next 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is 9 and 9 plus 1. It comes 10. 0 we have to write it down. 1 is carry out to next place. 2 plus 1 is 3 and